Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge. Today, Shibadoge experienced more buying on Shibadoge coin. A lot of people have actually purchased Shibadoge today. The trading volume of Shibadoge compared to that of yesterday have also really increased, about 46.59% increase in the trading volume of Shibadoge. Shibadoge market cap also saw an increase, and now a lot of people have actually bought billions and trillions of Shibadoge coin. In fact, trillions of Shibadoge coin have been purchased today alone. Okay, while you have different people buying billions of Shibadoge coin. I'm happy for Shibadoge at least with huge buy today, with huge investments on Shibadoge today. It is good for Shibadoge. At least we are expecting more. Okay, and I hope to see that even the trading volume we are talking about today, before the end of this month, if Shibadoge can double or triple that trading volume, it will definitely be good for Shibadoge coin. So I believe that in the next future, Shibadoge will be at the top. So for me, I think Shibadoge still remain one of the coins that are really trying to be at the top. Okay, they are ranked over 3,000, and I believe Shibadoge are working to make sure they are ranked at least below 500 crypto coins with the highest market cap, and they can definitely get to that level because they have good plans. They have actually strategized so many ways to reach that level, and I believe that yes, this coin is doing well. So with the holders, with new communities and new investors pumping and jumping on Shibadoge today, is good news for Shibadoge. I'm happy. At least we saw a lot of people buying Shibadoge today, so that is good for Shibadoge with high trading volume. And definitely, I remember one thing. Yes, I believe this week Shibadoge will also record high burning of Shibadoge. Remember, it is not only Terra Classic that are engaged in the burning of Terra Classic using 1.2% tax bond. Shibadoge are also burning Shibadoge coin with a tax bond of about 2.5%. Okay, yes, with a tax bond about 2.5% tax bond. So with this increase in the trading volume of Shibadoge today, this week Shibadoge is going to record more burning, more coin being destroyed today. So, and definitely this week though, I'm happy. So let's keep hoping for the best. Let's keep on supporting, let's keep on pushing, let's keep on believing that Shibadoge is going to be that coin that will put smiles on our faces.